Pueblo County Sheriff's Office is investigating multiple cases of child abuse. Sheriff's deputies say they have already arrested 4 people this month on charges of child abuse. The latest number from the CDC show 1 in 4 girls and 1 in 13 boys in the U.S. have been a victim of child abuse. In Colorado, the most recent stats from the Child Welfare League of America show 8 children out of every 1,000 were victims of abuse or neglect. News 5's Eleanor Sheahan spoke with multiple organizations in Pueblo that help survivors of child abuse about what you should do if you think a child might be in danger.
Child advocates here in Pueblo say to end child abuse, everyone must work together.
I think it's everybody's job to report. It's everybody's job to help protect kids.
Zane Grant has 23 years of experience working with child abuse cases in Pueblo.
Our partners in law enforcement and our partners at the Departments of Human Services can't do this without the community's help.
He currently serves as the executive director of KOAA, court-appointed special advocates.
We specially train volunteers that are appointed by a judge to advocate for abused and neglected children involved in the civil court process.
In 2023, KOAA worked with 366 children. In 2024, that number grew to 380, with 204 of those being new cases.
The majority of cases that we work with tend to be more of the substance abuse and neglect cases, but we do have cases that involve sexual abuse on a child, physical abuse, as well as other factors that just lead the court to be concerned about a child's welfare.
Grant says overall, child abuse reports have been on the rise since COVID.
As the world opened back up and more eyes were on children, we expected to see, those numbers start to increase again because people will obviously share their concerns.
Across town, the Pueblo Child Advocacy Center works with law enforcement and child protective services to do forensic interviews in child abuse investigations.
It has been almost overwhelmingly busy, and we've had an uptick of cases this year.
With more cases from eastern Pueblo County.
Like La Junta, Lamar, Cheyenne Wells areas than we have before.
She says abuse is not just physical. If a child's behavior abruptly changes, it can be a sign of abuse.
Like if something feels off, it probably is. And it's better to at least report it than not.
Grant says ending child abuse starts with you.
Everybody has an obligation. Everybody should, be reporting if they do have legitimate concerns about a child's safety. And sometimes they might be minimal, and that's still okay. It's not our job to be investigators out there. Our job is to report our concerns about a child's welfare to the proper authorities.
Grant says it's easy to make a report and details matter. Colorado State does have a child abuse hotline. That number is at the bottom of your screen. We also have more information on how to get connected to help and resources on our website, KOAA.com. In Pueblo, Eleanor Sheahan, News 5.